Now let's discuss exercise 3.3. See, the first question is, see, sine square pi by 6. See, sine square pi by 6, sine square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 plus cos square pi by 3 minus tan square pi by 4. So this is our first question. Tan square pi by 4 is equal to minus 1 by 2. So you have to prove that the value of this one is equal to minus 1 by 2. See, how will you do this? You know, sine pi by 6 is sine pi by 6. The value of sine pi by 6 is sine 30, which is equal to 1 by 2. Similarly, cos pi by 3 is cos 60, which is again 1 by 2. And tan pi by 4, which is tan 45, that's where its value is equal to 1. Now you can substitute these values in here. You will get 1 by 2 square. See, there's a sine square here, plus again 1 by 2 whole square minus tan square pi by 4 is 1 square. This is equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 minus 1. This is equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is actually 1 by 2. 1 by 2 minus 1, which is equal to minus 1 by 2, which is our RHS. So hence we proved. Now the second question. Is 2 sine square pi by 6 2 sine square pi by 6 plus cosec square plus cosec square 7 pi by 6 into cos square pi by 3 to cos square pi by 3 is equal to 3 by 2. You have to prove this. So how will you do? Again, 2 cosec 7 pi by 6 can be written as cosec pi plus pi by 6, which is equal to cosec. See, this is in third quadrant, and in third quadrant both the cosec and sine are take negative value. So in the this is in the third quadrant. So this is equal to cosec pi by 6. Actually minus cosec pi by 6. This is equal to C. This is equal to minus cosec pi by 6 is equal to, this can be again written as 1 by sine pi by 6. This is equal to minus 1 by sine, this is actually 30, 1 by 2. So its value is equal to minus 2. So cosec pi by 6 is equal to 2. And you know all the other values. 2 into, this is actually sine 30. So 1 by 2 square. Plus this one is actually minus 2. Minus 2 square into cos, this one is 60. So cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 square. See, sine pi by 6 is equal to 1 by 2. This is sine 30, and this one is cos pi by 3, which is cos 60. Cos 60 is again 1 by 2. On substituting, you get 2 into 1 by 4 plus 4 into 1 by 4. This is actually 2 and 4 will get cancelled, and this value will be 2. So 1 by 2 plus this is equal to 4, and 4 will cancel, and this value is equal to 1. So 1 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2, which is our RHS. So this again is proved. Now our third question. Cot square pi by 6 see, cot square pi by 6 plus cosec 5 pi by 6 cosec 5 pi by 6 plus 3 tan square pi by 6 equal to 6. You have to prove this. So cot pi by 6 is actually cot 30. Cot 30 will be root 3. And cosec 5 pi by 6 can be written as cosec pi plus, pi minus pi by 6. See, 6 pi minus pi is equal to 5 pi by 6. This is actually in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, sine and cosec are positive. So you can write this as cosec pi by 6. This is equal to you can write this in this way. Before like I said before, you have to simplify this pi in terms of 90. This is actually 180. 180 is equal to 2 times 90, and 2 is even, so the cofunction does not change. If you have any doubt about this, you can refer out my previous video. Clear? This is actually 1 by sine pi by 6, which is equal to 1 by sine pi by 6 is 1 by 2. So the answer is 2. So cosec 5 pi by 6 is equal to 2. And the value of tan pi by 6 is equal to tan 30, which is equal to 1 by root 3. Now you need to substitute all these values. Here it will be root 3 square plus cosec 5 by 6 is equal to 2 plus 3 into tan pi by 6 is 1 by root 3 square. So this is equal to 3 plus 2 plus 3 into 1 by 3. 3 plus 2 plus this one is 1. So the value is 6, which will give the RHS. So hence the proof. Now the next question, 2 sine square 3 pi by 4 2 sine square pi by 6 3 pi by 4 plus 2 cos square pi by 4 cos square pi by 4 plus 2 sec square pi by 3 equal to 10. Now you have to find the value of sine 3 pi by 4. Sine 3 pi by 4 can be written as sine pi minus pi by 4. Clear? 4 pi minus pi is actually 3 pi by 4. Since this is in the second quadrant and the value of sine in the second quadrant is positive, also the value of the cofunction does not change since it is pi. The answer is sine pi by 4 and the value of sine pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. Now you can substitute these values. 2 into this is actually 1 by root 2 the square plus 2 into cos pi by 4 is equal to 1 by root 2 square plus 2 into sec pi by 3 is actually 1 by cos pi by 3, which is cos 60. 1 by 1 by 2, the value is 2, so this is equal to 2 square. This is equal to 2 into 1 by 2 plus 2 into 1 by 2 plus 2 into 2 square is 4. This is 1 plus 1 plus 8. Actually the value is 10 again, which is our RHS. So this proof is also done. Now the next question, you need to find the value of sine 75. See, so you have to find the value of sine 75. Sine 75. See, actually this sine 75 can be written as sine 45 degree plus 30 degree. See, 75 is equal to 45 plus 30. Now you can use the identity sine A plus B here. Sine A plus B. Sine A plus B is actually sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. Clear? So this is equal to sine, this is our A and this is our B. Sine 45 cos 30 plus cos 45 sine 30. This is equal to sine 45 is equal to 1 by root 2 into cos 30 is root 3 by 2 plus cos 45 is 1 by root 2 and sine 30 is equal to 1 by 2. So this is actually root 3 by 2 root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2. So the answer is root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2. Clear? Now the next question. See. Now the next question. Tan 15. So the question is tan 15. So how will you solve this? So tan 15 can actually be written as tan of 45 minus 30 degree. And you can use the identity of tan A minus B here. Tan A minus B is nothing other than tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. This is equal to tan, here A is 45 and B is 30. So tan 45 degree minus tan 30 degree whole divided by 1 plus tan 45 degree into tan 30 degree. This is equal to tan 45 is 1 minus tan 30 is 1 by root 3 whole divided by 1 plus 1 into 1 by root 3. This is actually, you can cross multiply this 1 with root 3. So this value will be root 3 minus 1 by a root 3 here. Then you can multiply, this is equal to 1 plus 1 by root 3. This can be simplified as root 3 minus 1 by root 3 divided by, now you can take this root 3 here, root 3 plus 1 by root 3. Now you can cancel this root 3 and this root 3. So the answer will be root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. Clear? You can further simplify this by rationalizing the denominator. This can be written as root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. Taking the conjugate, you will get root 3 minus 1 into root 3 minus 1. So the numerator will become root 3 minus 1 square divided by the denominator is root 3 the square minus 1 square. On expanding, you will get root 3 square minus 2 into root 3 into 1 plus 1 square by root 3 square is actually 3 minus 1. This is equal to root 3 square is 3 minus 2 root 3 plus 1 by 2. This is equal to 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 minus 2 root 3 whole divided by 2. Now you can divide each term with 2. So 4 by 2 is actually 2 minus root 3. So this is the answer. Clear?